what you're looking at right now. The 2017 RUF CTR, which makes its debut at Geneva, is a radical departure for a company so closely tied to Porsche. Some past RUF creations have utilized more heavily modified Porsche chassis than others, including 2007's CTR 3, which combined a Porsche front chassis with a custom rear subframe to make it a mid-engine car. But the 2017 CTR non-Porsche chassis is new ground for the company. The occasion is the 30th anniversary of the debut of the original CTR, the Yellowbird, which was a heavily reworked Porsche 911 Carrera with twin turbochargers. As we mentioned last week, its performance was superlative, slightly slower to 60 miles per hour than a Porsche 959 but with a higher top speed, according to car and driver period test results. There's not necessarily much about the Yellowbird that informs the new CTR, other than twin turbocharging and to demonstrate what the company can do. The new CTR certainly sounds impressive. At its core is a carbon fiber monocoque structure, which is a rough job. Attached to the monocoque